Hello everybody, I am Mr. Pradipta Das from Jodhpur. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizer of Artist for Artist, all participants. In this critical situation, Dholi Art College and Kalamitra Art Foundation has been conducted such a wonderful event for artists. In human history, art was key to our social, cognitive and communicative development. In past, we have seen every critical situation or pandemic period, art and literature brings great changes in our society. Pablo Picasso is an excellent example to show how to art has the power to make us better people. The importance of combining and critical thinking skills. Here we discuss how the creative mind in tandem with the problem solving mind can better serve pursuit of happiness, shapes our values and reach for higher goals, especially in time of crisis. Pablo Picasso said, art washes away from the soul the dust everyday life. The highly iconic painting by Pablo Picasso, Guernica, painted in 1937 during the Spanish Civil War, is fascinating and successful example of where art and activism meet. The painting was created in response to Nazi Germany bombing the town Guernica in northern Spain. It was exhibited at the Spanish display at the 1937 World Fair in Paris and continuing on to location throughout the world. The exhibition raised relief money for the people of Guernica. Picasso's painting helped bring worldwide attention to the controversies of Spanish Civil War. Nowadays, due to COVID-19 outbreak, has also hold up huge chunk of global population in their homes, and it has disturbed us economically, socially and culturally. In changing time, we should keep patience and accept new technology for art. Nowadays, many organizations conducting online art talk, art camp, exhibition also. It is the time to all artists to create best work in his or her life. I believe that layering the principle of art, critical thinking and creative expression into key aspects of human life can substantially better us as a people and how we coexistence in the world. I believe that with the time, the implementation of the principle, we can see reduction in violence, depression, radicalism, terrorism, hate, intolerance and crime. The dark emotion and aggressive and violent action can shift into productivity, education, talent, career, contribution, ingenuity and entrepreneurship and greater happiness. Thank you.